Hi, I am with Mr. Atul Kharate, Chief Operating Officer at IndianOil Adani Ventures. Hi, Mr. Atul.
Hello.
It is great to have you here. Just wanted to understand your experience, your journey of having SAP S/4HANA, and how SAP S/4HANA has been serving to the requirements of IAVL.
Yeah. So first of all, let me thanks Uneecops being our business partner for the implementation of SAP S/4HANA. This is being one of the most modern tool in the ERP. Basically, a more real-time benefits, more analytical integration we can do. A BI part we can customize as per our requirement. And apart from the having an integrated package, it's also a good combination for the financial accounting, supply chain management requirement, purchase requirement, asset integration. We can do it in more systematic way in this package. That is how we came to basically a ERP selection in terms of SAP S/4HANA.
Maybe if you can just throw some light on your experience with Uneecops, the team, and how we helped the entire digital transformation journey for IAVL.
Yeah, I must compliment the entire team of Uneecops that they have really stand to our expectation, and say within a very short duration of 150 days or literally a 4.5 month of working span, the Uneecops team and our team at IAVL, they have jointly really make it happen in most systematic way. So their involvement in terms of understanding the need of customer, basically putting ourselves in the shoe of customer's requirement, having a very in-depth discussions at operating level, at the management level, and basically hand-holding in various stages of the project. So that was key differentiation, I can say. Uneecops, they have really added a lot of value to us.